Sometimes when installing Windows from a USB pen drive, you might get an error. Setup was unable to create a new system partition or locate an existing system partition. To fix the problem, do the following. Unplug the USB pen drive and after a few seconds, plug it back in. Now click on Refresh button. Error should be gone. If the problem still remains, try a different pen drive. Some pen drives are known to cause issues. If that doesn't solve the problem, change the SATA mode in your computer's BIOS to IDE. This video is sponsored by Majual, your video capture solution.